So here we are at the Bliss homepage, and as you can see here, Bliss takes your transcript and turns it into everything you need to publish your video on YouTube and drive traffic to it. Send people there from your social media channels, from your email. Let me show you how it works. So up at the top, you'll see you have two different areas, projects and presets. Projects is where your transcripts live. Think of one video transcript being one project, and presets is where you are going to be able to choose and define your brand voice. So the things that you always want to say, the things that you don't want to say, and we will come back to that. So to get started, hit create project, give it a name, paste in your transcript straight from your video editor. You can use something from Mac Whisper, captions file, whatever you have. Don't worry about time codes or formatting, just paste it on in there. We hit create and Bliss gets to work. And the first thing it generates is your description options. So this is where you are going to choose your main angle. You're going to choose the concept that best captures what your video is really about. So read through them, pick the one you like the best, and once you have chosen your description, you will move to your title. Your titles are generated to complement your description, not to repeat the description, because on YouTube, viewers are going to see the title first and then the description opens beneath it. So you want them working together and not saying the same thing twice. So same thing again, pick the one that fits best and move on to the next section, which is your thumbnail concepts. Bliss generates these using the building blocks from your transcript, your chosen description, and your title, and each one gives you an image concept, an overlay text option, and the overall visual idea. So what you are really choosing here is the headline overlay text, the words that will appear on your thumbnail, along with a concept that works with your video title and description. Extras, there are the extras. Tags, YouTube specialists still recommend using them. They don't carry huge weight, but everything counts, and they function like a custom search channel for your content. Chapters will give you timestamps that take viewers to different sections of your video. There's a suggested pinned comment ready to drop in the top of your comment section, and there's a checklist which is uniquely generated for each project based on good YouTube practices, things like reviewing your hook, adding end screens, including your promotional links. This is going to stay with the project, so you can check things off as you go, and it is there again on the final page, the export page, so that nothing will get missed. Bliss also generates social media captions from your transcript. There are lots of exciting developments coming for this part of the workflow, so watch this space. And this is the final publishing pack. This is what we're here for. Everything is here, ready to paste straight into YouTube and or hand off to your team. So there's your title, your description, with your custom promo link automatically included at the bottom. When we look in our brand voice presets, you can choose to have your lead magnet, your low-cost offer, your website link at the bottom of every description every time. We also have your thumbnail concept and the overlay text for that, tags, chapters, pinned comment, everything all there in one interface. Now, you can edit anything directly on this page. You can just click into a box and edit directly. And then if you want to share this with an editor, with your VA, with your social media manager, hit export. They can import it to Bliss at their end and get straight to work. And they don't need a paid account at all. You only need a paid account if you are actually generating the content from transcripts. Or you can copy the full pack as plain text and send it to whoever, however you like. Now, presets. This is where you set your brand voice, your tone, style, rules, the things you always say, the things you never say. You set it once and Bliss will apply it across every output automatically. Now, there's obviously quite a few sections to fill in here. So if you only do one thing, the most powerful thing you can do is add a couple of your own example descriptions, ones that you have written in the past that you would like Bliss to learn from. So if you do nothing else in the preset section, those are the fields to fill in. But we have a default preset ready to go if you want to start generating straight away, based on YouTube best practice. And when you're ready to make your own, you will just duplicate it, edit it, and save. If you're managing multiple brands or different content lines, you can have as many presets as you need and just switch between them instantly depending on the content that you are working with. Your free trial gives you 3 transcript to try everything, no card needed. And then once you've used it, Bliss is going to prompt you to subscribe to keep going. There's 7 days free trial included in that. And then it is £33 per month. Make the video, Bliss gets you ready to publish, and you can start your free trial today.